Hello there. It's a beautiful day in White Rock, or Peace Portal Park. There's the portal, US border. Well, the reason why I'm doing this video today is, for one thing, sharing a part of my story. One thing that I had a email this morning, or a text message this morning from a person that I've been talking with, and she was talking about having suicidal thoughts and how she couldn't trust anybody. So in my case, it wasn't the best thing to wake up to in the morning at 5:30 to get a text message from a friend expressing themselves about killing themselves. But I was reluctant to send a reply on my mental health first aid, which I took a couple months ago, and as well my own story of death and suicide, and realizing that we're not alone, and there are people out there that care, and there are people out there that love you for who you are and what you represent, regardless of if you're feeling alone or if you're not feeling heard, because it's a struggle. In June, when I found out that Anthony Bourdain passed away by suicide, it really changed my world in understanding that it can happen to anybody without any notice or with any clues or anything. You don't know. And that's why it's all about having compassion and having an understanding and listening to what those people are trying to say. Because what I see that's the issue right now is that there's a struggle between communication between the counselors and the mental health support in Canada or in the United States, that even I fell through the cracks of mental health. And now it's apparent that the universe wants me to speak out about this, because it's absolute bullshit that I had to go through it myself, let alone anybody else with mental health issues and having a family, a mortgage, a marriage. So I could not imagine what they struggle and go through in their own life when they don't get the support they need by the people that are in power, that don't even do what they say in the context of helping people. Because I'm a prime example that, it didn't work for me. I was resilient of not giving up, moving forward in my life, and seeing at the end that life is precious. And in my journey over this last 4 years, I've lost a close friend to suicide, and now it's time for me to use the skills and all what I've learned over this period of time to share and do videos and do workshops and talk about everything that I've learned for mental health, addictions, and trauma. So thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you. Send me a DM, send me an email, do whatever you can to get the word and share, like and comment. Yeah, have a beautiful